Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a wall push in Roblox Studio. First, you're going to want to set up these two parts like this. This is going to be our moving wall where we put our script, and this is going to be a platform for the players to run across. Here's the script we're going to use for our wall push. We have our variables up here, our while loop right here. You can see that the start size is here. I got that from going to the moving walls properties and looking at the size property and the z direction of the size property. Similarly, in our if statement down here, we say if size is greater than 30. Size is our incrementing value, and we use that value as well as the C frame to keep it in place and to grow over time. And so our if statement right here, we can get this number by going to our underlying part, the size property, and looking in the z direction as well. We use that to reset our part, and we also wait in the while loop to make sure that we don't get an infinite loop. Once you've done all that, you can click play and watch the wall in action. Thank you for watching. If you have any more desire to watch these tip videos, please join the Discord in the description and look for us on YouTube. Thank you.